It's a few days late, so laundry is starting to pile up. But in the meantime, I took this guy apart and found out why the dryer wasn't heating. This guy right here is all burnt out. Obviously, unplugged the electric. Now, when I was troubleshooting, I took all of these back panels off. You don't need to disconnect all of these wires. The whole top panel will slide and kind of lift up. That manual was useless. Here are the tabs that get the top off. Just pull back a little to disengage. Now from the front there are these two screws. And now the whole top comes off. Well, I didn't know yet that I didn't need to disconnect all of these, so that was good. Yep, didn't need to do any of this. Back any of this stuff up. Here's the most common problem in these dryers. It's this burnout dryer heating wire that connects to the dryer heater element. Back this all up. Here's the kit. It comes with a few zip ties, wire nut, and the wire. Snip, snip. So you have to cut, splice, and wire nut these wires together. The new one, cut this, see how long you want it, and then splice it with the existing. It might take a second to do because it is a tight spot. You want to wrap all your connections with electric tape, and anywhere there's going to be friction with zip ties as well. Rub down that other connection with some light sandpaper. You want to really make sure this connection is on good and tight. If you set up the tensioner like this, it makes it easier to get the belt back on. Just angle the tabs in. Give the drum a couple spins to make sure it's turning smoothly. Okay, let's put this bad boy back together. Or try to. Let's feel the results here. Oh yeah.